crisp passing and the completion na ginagawa nitong mga taga-Talk 'N Text. Silently, Don Aliado has already contributed 15 points.
But he fails to connect on the bonus free throw. Here comes James Yap on the move. Yes, blocked by Ali Peak. But the ball will stay with Pure Foods.
Alam mo, yan ang inherent sa mga left-handed defenders. Ang gagaling tumempo ng mga yan. Dahil natural na nasa side ng kaliwa. Kanan usually sa mga shooter. Now, na-check nila yun.
Here's Raimundo. Against Aliado. Pepe Raimundo lost his footing. Over to Simon for three. In and out. Red Aurelini trying to keep the ball alive. It ends up with Cardona. Cardona to Jay Washington na nangunguna. And Washington slams it home.
That's a big play. That's a big play. Actually, a dagger, even if it's 7 minutes and 6 seconds to go in the ballgame, because that's an 18-point lead now for Talk 'N Text.
Ma'am, baka gusto mo na mag-start.
Wala pa nga ka-date ko. Paano ako magsa-start?
Start pa ang problema. Mag-Outlast Maintenance Free Battery ka. Start agad. Outlast Maintenance Free Battery. Start agad.
Kung gusto mo malaman ng maraming premyo live, on air, on TV, Text to Win ang programa mo. Manood lang ng Text to Win every single night dito lang sa ABC5 kung saan maglalaro tayo ng napaka-exciting na games. And we're giving away the best prizes all the time. So Text to Win every night here at ABC5. Huwag kalimutan.
Back inside the Inares Center. And moments ago, Cardona finding Jay Washington all alone for the Yakult slam dunk. Yakult every day okay. Sigurado ka dyan, and rather you feel that that could very well be a knockout blow given by Talk 'N Text.
Well, because it's an 18-point lead. Doon sa mini target na binigay ni Coach Ryan kanina, they would want to bring this lead down to about 12 or 10 with 7 minutes to go. But this is off target right now with an 18-point lead. But still, everything is still very much possible. Dahil ang dami pa rin, hindi ko pa rin susukuhan ang sangkap nitong Pure Foods. They can still do it.
Remains to be seen now. And James Yap with an awkward shot. Washington with a rebound. And now Pure Foods is going to look at the clock now, which is quickly becoming their foe. And it's quickly becoming the friend of Talk 'N Text. Here's Cardona, laban kay Roger Yap. Cardona makes his move, he loses the ball. Picked up by Washington for three. And Washington saves it. Para kay Peter Jun Simon, the wrong man. Here's Simon on the move. Simon fouled by Alapad.
Well, all conference long, this has been my criticism of the Pure Foods team. No one has controlled the tempo of the ball game for Pure Foods all conference long. That's why never in this conference na umarangkada talaga itong kupunan ng Pure Foods eh. At dito sa laban na ito, highlighted yan. It's all Talk 'N Text, controlling the tempo of the ball game. Not only is Jim Elapag doing that, even other players like Mac Cardona, even their big man, has been very conscious in trying to dictate their own brand of play. That's why we see Talk 'N Text on top by 17 points.
Well, the only time we really saw Pure Foods in control was way back in the opening quarter.
Rightly so. Nung ipinakita nila ang kanilang lakas, natanging lakas nila this ball game, yung kanilang inside game. Nung ma-check ito ng Talk 'N Text, all Talk 'N Text yun, because Talk 'N Text showed us multifaceted brand of play with their assist, with their outside game, and of course, matching the inside game of Pure Foods.
Here's Simon on the move. And he's going to take two.
Fast break points in the fast break game has not been a factor in this ball game. Wala masyadong pagkakataon both teams na tumakbo. Of course, this would favor the brand of play of Pure Foods with PJ Simon or the likes of Chico Lanete or even James Yap. But the defense of Talk 'N Text put this play on check. At ika nga, hindi nakatakbo ng maigi itong kupunan ng Tender Juicy Hot Dogs dito sa kupunan ng dito sa ating laban na ito.
Si Jimmy Alapag ang tinawagan ng foul is third personal. At penalty na itong talk and text phone fouls with 5 and 58 remaining in the game.
Because Talk and Text was more than willing to give up those fouls if only to preempt the attempts of the Tender Juicy Giants to run the fast break.
14 points ang abante ng talk and text with 5 and 47 to go in this knockout game. Here comes Washington. Washington out of control over to Alapag, 7 to shoot. Here comes Cardona. Look out for that teardrop special. And the ball ends up with James Yap. James Yap over to Roger Yap. Roger Yap nakatingin kay James Yap. Sends it over to Simon. Simon goes baseline. And that's an offensive foul.
And that's we're talking about the game of Mac Cardona. Not only scoring, he's also rebounding. It's been, kahit yung kanyang pag-assist has been developed. At ito, yung kanyang depensa. Forcing the fourth personal foul on PJ Simon. 7 assists to his name also is Mac Cardona. One hell of a game is he showing us.
30-second timeout para sa talk and text phone fouls with 5 and 28 to go. Ito, naka-antabay sa larong ito ang Santa Lucia Realtors as we check out our top players brought to you by Top Power Energy Drink. Top Power Energy.
Well, si Terence Leder ang nangungunan sa ating scoring sa lahat na yan, locals at saka imports with a 34.5 average. Si Alexander sa rebounds, JJ Helterban sa assist, Ryan Reyes sa steals, at si Chris Alexander pa rin pagdating sa shot block. Pero yung top scorer natin sa liga ay 2 beses na eject.
Here's our Boy Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo!
Well, that was way yung first quarter pa lamang at hindi na naulit ng Pure Foods yung kanilang aggressiveness sa loob.
So back to live action. Here's Alapag over to Ali Peak against Raimundo. Double team by Simon. Alapag 4-3. Yes, sir!
Jimmy Alapag really hurting Pure Foods with his outside shots.
That attempt by James Yap was blocked by Ali Peak, who saves the ball to the wrong man. And Villanueva will take 2. But what about Jimmy Alapag hitting another TM3 tonight?
Eh, ang nakikita natin, parang laban ni Manny Pacquiao eh. Meron tumitira sa loob, bigla na lang may titira kasi sa labas.
26 points for Jimmy Alapag. Big performance from little Mighty Mouse, who's been red hot from Rainbow Country. And that will keep Pure Foods at bay. And that will keep Talk and Text way, way on top.
Good evening. The MILF is being blamed for 36 incidents of atrocities and other attacks since May.